Hi, in today's video, I will explain you all date and time functions which we use in Excel. It is very much important to do any official work or any personal work in Excel sheet if it is related to entering date and time or if you want to calculate age. First, we will learn today function, and for that you need to put equal to sign and then type today formula and press enter. You can see that you have got today's date here. Now we will understand where to use now function. Now function will help you to get today's date as well as time together. So after putting now formula in cell, press enter. You can see that here you have got date and time together. Now we want to calculate exact duration of the project or age of a person. So for that what we will do, we will use dated if function in Excel. However, in the latest Microsoft Excel version, you will not find this formula in option because it is hidden. Here when you will type dated if, you will not get any suggestion because this function is hidden in latest Excel version. This is being replaced by year frac, but the problem with year frac is that it will give you only duration or age in years, also in decimal numbers. When I have used year frac formula and entered start date and end date, you can see that we have got age in decimal number. So what we will do to change this decimal number in whole number, we will add int formula along with year frac formula. So I have used int formula along with year frac formula, and here you have to select option 1. After typing this formula, when you will press enter, you can see that you have got the age in whole years. But what to do if we want to calculate age in years, months and days all together? So for that, DATEDIF formula is a best choice, and I will explain you how to use DATEDIF formula. Now we will discuss DATEDIF formula in Excel. DATEDIF formula in latest Microsoft Excel is hidden. Hidden means when you will type the formula, it will not come in suggestion. However, I have explained you year frac formula that gives only year, but to calculate exact age in year, month and days, you have to use dated if formula only. So after typing dated if, open bracket and then select start date, comma, end date, and if you want in year, you have to type year and enter. Now you can see that the age has been calculated in year. Now I want in month. So I will type mm. Sorry, you have to type m once. Now you can see that the number of months has been calculated. And if you want to get age in days, you have to type day, means d. Now you can see that you have got the total number of days. So this is small formula which you can remember easily. However, if you want exact date with year, months and days, so for that you have to type a long formula of dated if, and for that you can take help from chat gpt. So what you will do, you will open chat gpt and here you will type I need dated if formula for calculation of age where start date is in cell A4 and end date is in B4. Moreover, you have to specify I need formula to calculate exact year, months and days together. When you will type this query in ChatGPT, you will get the exact formula which you just have to put in the formula bar. Here you can see that the long formula has been generated, that you have to copy and paste here. When you will type this formula in the cell and press enter, see you have got the exact age, years, months and days, everything has been calculated so quickly. If you want to understand this formula in detail, you can open this ChatGPT page, and here you can see Y has been used to calculate years, YM has been used to calculate remaining months, and it will ignore full years. Whereas MD is used to count remaining days and it will ignore year and months. So, like that, you can type your query in ChatGPT, and when you will specify the cell where you have data, you will get exact code which you can copy and paste here. So far you have studied today formula, now formula, and dated if formula. Along with that, I have also explained year frac formula, which is available in latest Microsoft Excel version. Now we will discuss the day, month, year formula and end of month formula and end of date formula in further video. I hope you have understand the functions I have explained in this video. If you like this, please subscribe and share with your friends.